everyone guys, in the last tutorial I have created these two arrays. Here I'm going to show you how to print out this one on screen. Now to print this one out, first I'm going to introduce some system out print line statement. System dot out dot print line, and here I'm going to mention this is the first array. And here I'm going to bring this one, like first to print this one I'm going to introduce another function. Let's go ahead and create that. Let's call that one public static void, and I call this one as display, and here integer x and 2 square brackets. And inside of this function we are going to create a for loop. In this for loop, first I'm creating integer row is equal to 0, then row is less than x dot length, then row plus plus, and inside of this is going to be a nested for loop. Since we have a multi-dimensional array, this is going to be nested for loop. In the outer loop is for rows, the inner loop is for columns. For integer column, I initialize this one with 0, and column is less than x row dot length, column plus plus. System dot out dot print x row and then column, and here I put plus and then backslash t, and that's it. And here I have to continue here I have to call the display function and display the first array. And same thing I have to do for the second array, so I just copy paste and change the name. This one should be display here. Copy paste, and this is the second array. And this one should be second instead of first. Okay, and this one also should be display. Okay, then I have to give one more statement here. This one is system dot out dot print line. Okay, that's it. Let's go ahead and run this one. Okay, here's the table and values. So first we have print out the first array, like first row, that is 8, 9, 10, 11, and the second row, that is 12, 13, 14, 15. And then this is the second array. There we have 3 rows. In the first row 30, 31, 32, 33. Here it's there, and 43 in the second row, and 4, 5, 6 in the third row. And that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description. And also, if you are trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.